Hello everyone, so today is August the 6th and it's 7:35 and I'm here with my salt tolerance testing. I have my vials here and I already labeled them. The nutrient BR with 15%. I have the 7% and the 1%. And I've labeled them with the S surface, how do you say that? Service side, I have labeled 3, and then 3 of them I did it with the S epidermidis. So those are labeled. I have them right here. And now it says place the stem of the pipette of the alcohol to restore, which I have right here. Okay, it says remove. Okay, let's see. Alcohol, light the candle, which as you can see my candle's right here. Remove the lid of the S surface side. Let's see, S surface side 1%. So I have it right here. And it says pass it over the candle to sterilize it. Remove the lid of the active, which I have right here. And let's see. And then I'm going to put 2 drops of this one into that one. So let's see. So I have to pass it over the fire to sterilize it. Okay. That way I don't spill it. It's the actual broth. Then I have my pipette. Okay. Let me see. Drop 2 drops. So I'm gonna put 2 drops of this into this one. 1, 2. And then it says pass the opening of the newly insulated 1% tube over the flame before recapping it. Okay. So sorry about this one. So pass it over the flame again. Now I'm gonna recap it. Okay, so there it is. One down. Then it says repeat 9 through 13 for the 7 and the 15. It is the S, the 7 and the 15. Okay, let's see. I'm going to pause this because then the video gets too long. Okay, so I just finished doing my 3 vials of the S cervicide, and now I'm going to do the S epidermidis. I have my 3 vials here, so it says to repeat the same exact thing, so that's what I'm about to do. Okay, so I've done all of my I'm not sure what you call these, but the 1%, the 7%, right, and the 15%. They're all done. Now it's telling me that I have to incubate them for 48 hours. So we'll see what happens in 48 hours. Okay, everyone, so I'm doing exercise 2, salt tolerance and pH testing. So it's part 2 of my experiment. So I have gathered all of my things. So it says that I need the 6 my 6 nutrient broth, which I have here. Okay, and I have my HCI and NaOH chemical pipette, so they're right here, ready to go. I have my marker, and I have my broths, which I have right here. what I have right here with my marker. Okay, scissors to empty graduate pipettes, which I have them already in alcohol, but they're right here. Okay, so it says wipe down, empty the pipettes using a permanent marker. Label the nutrient broth as S-Epi5, 7, 9. So I'm going to do that and I'll be back. Okay, so now it's telling me to remove the lid of the S-Epi5, which it's right here. Tube and pass it through the flame over the candle flame to sterilize it. Okay, and then it says add 1 drop of the CH, just right here. Broth over 1 drop to adjust the pH to 5. Pass the open broth over the flame, sterilize, and reaffix the lid. And then I have to repeat that. Repeat step 9 to 11 for the S Seri pH 5.2. And then let's see. So this one's the Epi, so I'm going to do it with the Seri 5. Okay, then I'll be back. Okay, so I have my other 2 of the pH 9, and then I have my NaOH, and I'm about to cut it, and it says to add 1 drop to each of these, so that's what I'm about to do. Okay, so I did all of my pH, and now it's telling me to add the S-epidermidis to each of the 3 pH, so that's what I'm about to do. Okay, so I did my exercise 2, and I already did all of my pH, and I put the 2 drops in all of them. So now it's telling me that I need to incubate them for 24 hours. Okay, let's see. Let me read this carefully. Yep. So that's what I'm about to do. So then I'll come back in 24 hours. Bye.